bringing with me my backpacker mom. She's not a backpacker. I am a backpacker. But now, she's forced to be backpacker. I think we are on the second floor. Yeah. Can you... Huh? It's okay. Teka, isa pa. Go. Check out counter. Yeah, let's go. Let's walk. You want there na agad? Pero it looks cool I think, well, they still do wear masks, like most of them. Yeah. Ha? Yeah, let's go to Family Mart muna. May 7-Eleven? Okay. Nice. Oh, I don't have my mask. Later. Everyone is wearing masks. Oh, later na din na. Look at their bosses, diba? Let's see what, let's, 7-Eleven? Yeah, okay, sige. Let's see what our first meal will be. So here they have this. Amazeballs. I don't know. Okay. Okay. So now we will look for SIM card. SIM card. Where could I get SIM card from here? Maybe I could try in the Family Mart. I hope they have. I'm afraid of Explore Taipei. Where is the mobile shop here? I hope I can make this. But this is exciting. It's always been exciting to actually explore a city and get lost, right? Let's see. Thank you.
That's my English number.
It's okay. What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
You can call me Elsa.
Elsa?
Yeah.
Elsa, what the
You
heck?
can call Elsa maybe easy.
Alright.
Because my Chinese name
It's hard. Oh, alright.
not Fulton. Not because Fulton.
Oh, there.
No.
Okay, we finally got our SIM card. Okay. So now, going back to Mama. Okay. So, let's go. For sure, she's quite getting rattled already. Because I got, it's been how many minutes since I left. So yeah, at least we're almost there. Let's go. Yeah. Yay! Yeah. Yeah, what do we got here? This is mine. And that's hers. Yeah. Bye! It's only 200. Natatakot ka na.
Daming kulay.
Where is mine? Is this mine? Can I use this? Masarap daw. Yeah, because I think they're into gulay.
Ano?
They're into gulay. Even their street food.
Kulay? Hindi ako natatakot. Takot ako baka nahihilo ka na.
Ay, ganda. Pero gusto ko na magka-simcard.
Sabi ba ako din yung biglang bumagsak ko.
What's this? Ice cream?
Gulaman.
May ano akong ganyan vlog. Grabe nung nanay niya.
Walang gulaman. Walang gulaman nga.
Dapat daw ganyan. Gulaman na lang.
Ay, pero unlimited yan.
Ano ba yan? Gulaman. So I'm done eating and mom as well. I think she's hungrier than me. So cheers. Gulaman.
Kala mo iced tea, no?
The food is good. No? It's good.
Pero gulay.
So far, yeah. So many veggies and I don't know, I like it. There's eggplant, there's, what's this, carrots, I think. This one is nice. How many veggies?
Eto, hindi ko alam kung tofu.
It's like tofu. I think this is tofu. Nakakaumay lang talaga pagka magmantika.
Yung sa akin hindi, braised.
This is so good. This is the braised right? Okay. We are getting ready for the night market. Night food market. That's the agenda tonight. Since we still kind of feel tired from yesterday. Or whatever. But yeah. We will go visit night food market. Hopefully we will love it. The only hard thing about traveling here is the language barrier talaga, no? But let's see. Hopefully may mga mamit tayong spoken dollar naman. Hi! So okay, I'll do a quick room tour before anything else, before we head out and look for a night food market. So, start. Okay, so upon entering, we have here a closet. Tama ba? Oh, yan. It's a spacious one, in fairness. Ayan. In which meron pang lalagyan ng shoes. Yeah, hindi pa naman nalilinis everything that much because we just got up. And when you turn to your left, there's a very spacious and clean toilet and bath. So, and that's the toilet. It's very Japanese style, right? Yeah, it's so Japanese. So there's mom prepping, yeah, and then we have ref and toilet. I mean, what's this? Bottled water. It's spacious. And there's our bed. And there's a table here. And actually, there are windows. Also, there's windows here. Because I really want something with windows. So, kaya yung pinili ko. But yeah. Basically, that's it. That's the room tour. We also have TV in which hindi namin masyado maintindihan yung mga pinapalabas because we're in Taiwan. So, yeah, that's it. That's mom's luggage. That's mine. So now we will go to a night market. So, let me check. So, key. Saved area. Oh, I think we're going to ano nga. Okay, so for tonight for tonight we will go to Ximending Night Market. Who does not know Ximending, right? Planning to go there tonight. Yeah, this is here. Okay, I'm really excited. So, let's go. Let our adventure begins. So, we're good on the way. May tatak pa yung jacket ko. Di ko pa tinatanggal. Ano ba yun? Okay, so this is like an H&M jacket and this is, what's this? Naka-shirt lang ako inside and boots. Let's Let's go! So this is how our elevator looks like. Ay, hindi natin pinindot. Wait. So yeah. Mukha siya, it looks good.
Repair.
Yeah, but it looks creepy as if we will fall down anytime. Ang lamig naman. Okay, so nakapagpapalit na tayo ng money sa wakas. Wow, parang sa itong mga to. Yun yung mga gusto ko tingnan. But anyway, nakapagpapalit na tayo. We just use Google Translate to ask the staff in Family Mart to change our money to coins so that we could ride the bus. It's effective! Ay, pepe mo malaki! So, we are waiting for the bus. Ang pangit naman ng buhok ko. We're waiting for the bus. I think it's 8-10 minutes pa. Or 15 or something.
Which one? The 639.
Yeah, we're just waiting for the train.
5 more minutes na lang.
Yun yung LRT. Hindi na. Bus na lang.
639?
Oo. The good thing here is, sunod-sunod naman yung train, no? Very accurate yung mga nakalagay. You will see if, or you will know if the train is coming or how many minutes remaining. So, you will know everything. And every now and then, may dumarating na mga bus. So, it's very reliable.